Here is a Home Protector Shrouded Padlock. It is a disc detainer padlock and just simply looks beefy. First I need to dispatch of the packaging. Then place the lock in a vise so health and safety don't get involved. Then I ever so carefully, brutally insert my highly technical screwdriver into the end of the padlock. These locks are designed so the cores can be built and then pressed in place. Once the end cap is lavered off, remove the innards. This will consist of discs, retaining bar, and the actuator. Once the innards are out of the way, pull on the shackle. Then remember to recycle the leftovers correctly.